This is my 98 Maxima. HR swap, 5-speed. You got the Pioneer PRS 80 up here and a little Clarion EQ. Not too sure. Oh, there it goes right there. EQ S755. So a little bit about the build. What's gonna happen is I got two 12s going in the back doors right here. It's gonna be for the mid bass. I'll have one there, and then I'll have one here. I'll have a horn right here, and I'll have like a tweeter here maybe. That window switch is gonna have to get relocated under that door handle right there. And yep, got the rear deck going on. 410s, 4 tweeters, the 1-inch tweeters. Those are 2 Beamas. 2 Beamer tweeters, and we got the Commando 10-inch mid-range. They're about, I think, about 300 watt RMS each, 8 ohms. They sound pretty good, you know, not bad, nothing too crazy. And up here in the front, we're gonna have 110 going right there, and 2 8s, 1 2. And then above it is going to be 2 tweeters, 2 super tweeters. It's in progress, coming along. So got about 90 amp hours of lithium. This is my Def Bonds 3512R. So it's gonna be a BC 8K Crescendo Audio BC 8K hitting these. A little bit. They never had a pretty girl from Joburg. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. Cause he has no idea what I'm doing. Just miss me with the drama. I need to call him with the comments. Oh, DJ, cause it's December. Cause you about to call it around top. From Jersey to Ibiza. Instead of just getting sweeter. Gotta get sanded down. This is the Bondo stage actually. I went crazy with the Bondo, you know, it's gonna get sanded down. Doesn't look great, but when I'm done, hopefully it looks somewhat decent. Was originally a tan door panel, so it's now black, and I'll be painting this black over here. It's got to get primed, and then base coat and clear coat should be good to go. Just wrapped up the floor here, so this is going to be my amp rack. Got my BC 8K sitting on this, and then it'll probably be 2 more panels like this on top of it for the mid bass and mid range and tweeters and stuff like that, the amplifiers. So yeah, it's work in progress. The door's coming along right here. Got some more sanding I got to get done. Well, this one looks much more better with the sanding, so you know, this one's coming along a lot faster. Yep, can't wait, but you know, keep you guys updated as I progress. All right.